Some cartridges just deserve an award. Hi, I'm Larry Potterfield with MidwayUSA. Let's chamber another round in the Cartridge Hall of Fame. A joint effort between Colt and the Union Metallic Cartridge Company led to the introduction of the .45 Colt in 1873. Developed for the Colt Model 1873 single-action Army, the .45 Colt served as the official handgun cartridge of the Army until 1892. Original black powder loads developed around 560 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Introduced as the .45 Colt, the name was changed to .45 Long Colt during the late 1800s to distinguish it from the .45 Smith & Wesson Schofield. First chambered in the Colt 1873 single-action Army, the .45 Long Colt has become one of the most famous revolver cartridges of all time. Standard loads for the .45 Long Colt feature a 255 grain lead bullet moving over 900 feet per second. Some specialty manufacturers offer loads with heavier bullets at significantly higher pressures for modern revolvers such as the Ruger Blackhawk. The .45 Long Colt has been in production since 1873 and its future looks bright. What a great addition to the Cartridge Hall of Fame. I'm Larry Potterfield with MidwayUSA, and that's the way it is.